Welcome to my TH birthday. Hi, how was my new look?
Hi, welcome back. Today is my birthday and មើលសាក់ទៅក៏ដឹងថាដូរពណ៌ដែរមើលតុក្កតាហ្នឹងនឹងសាក់ហ្នឹងដូចគ្នាហ្មងឃើញទេ Oh my god ចឹងឯហ្នឹងយើងនឹងនិយាយថាតើខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើអីមួយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងដើម្បី celebrate my birthday Just give me some flower yeah for the boot check đã sắp bữa nâng hơi trâu lương mai son nhẹ
Here's we go.
Destination យើងទៅ shopping តែសំខាន់នេះចាំមើលកាន់ក្អែខ្មែរសក់សក់ឯណាតិចទៀតមានចែកដូរក្អែចេញអូ what the hell is that is it really me អូទិញបានហើយសំខាន់ទៅដើរមើលនៅ Pop Street មកជុំសិនប៉ុន្តែពីដើរនៅ Pop Street ហើយប្រហែលជាទៅ chill តិចទៅសំខាន់គេរៀបចំសម្រាប់ធ្វើ Halloween ហើយ yes ស្អាត Still walking down the street aloneអ្នកខ្លះមក pay
birthday សុំ pay ម្ដងឃ្លៀងធ្លាក់យកហ្នឹង
ណានេះខ្ចប់ឈូហ៎
អាយយថ្នេដូងមកដល់
Celebrating time.
Let us feel so seen in the night. So for now, it's only me, and maybe that's all I need.
មានជាកាបិទពីចប់តែបើនេះទៅដកថងចេញទៅដកថងចេញទេ
You know I'm lazy. Jorb.
This one is her story. I have quite good because let's try tiramisu. Soft tiramisu in a natural hold. So good. Tiramisu. Bye everyone.